What is up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Katie, aka Fancy Flutie. We got a crazy one today, okay? It's the first time that I've ever tried any sort of special effects makeup, like ever. And I'm using scar wax, which you guys know is terrible. So definitely go easy on me. You might recognize the character from the beginning, but it is the other mother, the crazy lady from Coraline. So if you want to see that, keep watching. But before we jump into it, please give this video a like, make sure you subscribe and turn on your notifications because I have videos all month long for 31 days of FLUTIEWEEN. So let's just get to it. Alright, so first step, glue down the eyebrows, of course. Then powder them. I don't like when the residue is like kind of sticky and you put paint on top of it. Then I am trying to cover the actual color of them, so I did use some like peach colored cream paint and then powdered it again and then put concealer and then powdered it again. Okay, here comes the spirit gum and the scar wax. This was literally a struggle, okay? Like such a struggle. It probably took me like 3 hours just to put on the cheekbones. I know we're speeding through it here, but yeah, that took like an hour just to do that. And then we had to do it again. And then making them even was like the worst part of all. I spent like an extra hour just trying to make them even and it still didn't turn out great. Then I decided, why not? Let's do a nose too because it's turning out so great already. Oh my god, you guys. It turns out cool in the end. Just trust the process. Trust the process. So now you gotta powder that shit good, like way more than you expect. It is the stickiest stuff ever. Now I'm just using a white face paint and laying down her color. It was really hard to paint on top of the scar wax, so honestly, it's bad, but but like at the end it turns out cool. So right now it looks a hot mess. Now I'm just using the button to see where it's gonna lay and then drawing on the eyebrows. And it looks messy because I just used eyeshadow, but I'm definitely gonna fix it, so hold on, okay? Now I'm just shading under the cheekbones and trying to give her that super contoured look. And her nose as well. Just adding all her little crazy wrinkles. Like this look is pretty simple if you're actually good at special effects. Now I'm just drawing on her big lips and her creepy smile coming all around on the corners. And then filling that in with a black paint as well. Now I'm taking a paint and filling in the eyebrows so that they don't look so horrible. Give her a little beauty mark. Now I'm just adding some more streaks. I wanted it to look a little crazier and messier. Now we're just deepening everything. Like this look isn't a lot, it's just a lot of like repeated steps. And then shading that again, trying to make those cheekbones look a little bit better. Then adding her cracks. If you've seen Coraline, you know she has the cracked face and she looks all crazy. Now I'm starting on the body. She just has like a super bony neck. Now I'm just taking black and painting on her outfit. Now I'm just shading her bones. So she has a really bony chest, so we're gonna shade the collarbone. We're gonna shade a bunch of ribs right here. And then as you notice, I left space all around because she's like skinny and long. So then the space around the neck you want to eliminate. Adding her bony neck and just shading that. And then the fun part, gluing on the eyes and not being able to see anything. And then I realized I forgot the dots on her shirt. That's important, she's iconic. Just fixing up her collar. All right, there you guys go. Oh my god. So I couldn't even tell if the buttons were even, trying to glue them on. I didn't glue it to my eyelids, so don't worry. I glued it to my brow bones. So they were just stuck on right here, and then my eyes were just closed underneath. But I really hope you guys like it. This one was kind of an experiment for me to try out special effects and stuff, so go easy on me in the comments. I think it turned out cool in the end. The buttons really cover up like the worst parts of it, so if you did like it, please give this a like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications because we have a lot of other crazy videos and giveaways coming up. If you want to see the picture of this and any of my other pictures of 31 Days of FLUTIEWEEN, make sure you check out my Instagram. I also have some cool Coraline and other mother mashup videos on TikTok, so you should really check that out because I posted one yesterday. And I will see you guys tomorrow.